Hello everyone! Welcome to our Korean learning channel. If you're learning Korean for the first time, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to learn one of the most important parts, language, Hangul, the Korean alphabet. And in today's lesson, we're going to focus on Korean consonants. Don't worry if they look unfamiliar at first. We'll learn them slowly, one by one. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. What are Korean consonants? First, Korean has two basic types of letters, consonants and vowels. Today, we're going to learn the consonants. There are 14 basic consonants in Korean. Let's take a look at all of them. They may look a little strange at first, right? The first one is gyuk. Gyuk sounds similar to K or G in English. Repeat after me. Great! The second one is nyun. Nyun sounds similar to the English N. Now you try. Nyen. Great job! The third one is digit. Repeat after me. Digit. Excellent! The fourth one is lier. E is a little different from English. There isn't an exact English equivalent, so this consonant may take a little more practice. Lier. Now try it with me. Li. Very good. The fifth one is miem. Miem sounds similar to the English M. Miem. Let's say it together. Miem. Very good. Subscribe and like this channel and you'll learn Korean faster. 3. The rest of the consonants. Next is piup. Piup sounds similar to B or P in English. Piup. Repeat after me. Piup. Excellent! Next is shiot. Shiot sounds similar to the English S. Shiot. Repeat after me. Shiot. And next is ing. Ing is a very interesting consonant. When it appears at the beginning of a syllable, it has no sound. But when it appears at the end of a syllable, it sounds like ng. Ing. Repeat after me. Ing. Next is gioled. G-O-L-E-D sounds similar to the English J. G-O-L-E-D. Repeat after me. G-O-L-E-D. Next is cheat. G-O-L-E-D sounds similar to CH in English. T-O-L-E-D. Repeat after me. T-O-L-E-D. And then we have kiyok. Kiyok is a stronger K sound. Kiyok. Repeat after me. Kiyok. Excellent! Next is tshipshi. Tshipsh is a stronger T sound. Tshipsh. Repeat after me. Tshipsh. Excellent! Next is piip. Piip is a stronger P sound. Piip. Repeat after me. Piip. Excellent! And finally, we have hing. Hing sounds similar to the English H. Repeat after me. Excellent! 4. Let's review. You did a great job. Now, let's review all 14 consonants together. Try saying them with me. Take your time. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음. 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지옷. 치옷, 키역, 티귿, 피읍, 히응. Let's do it one more time. 기역, 니은, 디귿, 리을, 미음. 비읍, 시옷, 이응, 지옷. 치옷, 키역, 티귿, 피읍, 히응. Excellent! Today, you learned the 14 basic Korean consonants. They might feel unfamiliar at first, but don't worry. The more you see them and practice saying them out loud, the easier they will become. In our next lesson, we're going to learn the Korean vowels and see how consonants and vowels come together to make Korean syllables. So, practice today's consonants one more time. And if this lesson was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next lesson. See you next time.